There is no insurance for love. It takes awareness to keep it alive. If you want everyone to fall in love with you, the first thing is, you must fall in love with all of them. Only people who are deprived of love imagine that God is love. Love is a human emotion. Scale up your love. Why only love one person when you can fall in love with the whole universe? Love is a longing to include someone as a part of yourself. It is a possibility to become more than what you are by inclusion. If there is love in your heart, it will guide you through your life. Love has its own intelligence. Everyone can love God as He does not demand anything from you. But to love the one who is next to you right now costs life. Love is not an instrument of convenience. Love is a process of self-annihilation. Whether God or somebody else loves you does not make a difference for you. If you are loving, it makes your life very, very sweet. There's really no such thing as conditional love and unconditional love. There are conditions, and there is love. You cannot rise in love. You cannot fly in love. You cannot stand in love. You have to fall in love. If you want to know the magic of emotion, something of you has to fall. One who is stuck in the realm of right and wrong, liking and disliking, will never know the texture of love. For most people, love means, you must do what I want. No, love means, they can do what they want, and we still love them.